explanation also. Yes, recording is starting. You can start reading, and you can keep laptop somewhat. Yes,
Sir, can I
start.
start?
Yes, start.
We know that God made this beautiful world. Then
Okay,
He
wait.
made
You
the.
first you may study this. What of wisdoms? What of wisdom?
Okay, sir.
Okay, start.
God made you, and God made me. God made people so kind and sweet. God made him, and God made her. God made children so loving and dear. We know that God made this beautiful world. Then He made the best thing of world. God made us. He made men and women. He made boys and girls. Sir,
Okay, I will put it down. I will. Right. So you explain this part at least somewhat, some explanation. Hello.
sir in Telugu.
Yes, your wish, your wish.
Sir, God made her beautiful world. Then He made the world best. He made men. He made boys and girls.
You may explain in Telugu also. No, you may explain English better in explain English. English better, na? You unmute yourself. Unmute again, unmute.
Sir,
Right, start.
we know that God made this beautiful world. God
Yes,
made our world beautiful.
yes, our world, he
Then
made
He
our world
made,
beautifully.
then He made the best thing of world. The world is best thing in our life.
Yes,
God made us. He made.
yeah,
God
good,
made
good.
her. God made us. He made men and women. He made boys and girls.
Yes, these are simple sentences. Yes, God made us. You and I, everyone was made by God. And men,
God,
women,
yeah.
boys, girls, everyone made by God. Yes, good.
God only.
Good. Next, go ahead. So that's why this man is telling to little kids about is this us means these animals, everything, every creature in this world is made by God. Right. Next.
God
Yes.
only.
Good.
Next.
This one.
Like plants and animals also. Like plants and animals. People also live and grow. Plants cannot move from one place to another. Plants did not move from one place to another. But animals and people can move from one place to another. Because animals and people have legs and hands.
Yes, good. Right.
Man is better than anything else on this earth. He is the best creation of God. God made man very wise. He gave man two brains to think, but trees did not brain and animals also did not have brain.
Yes, animals also
Anything,
have brain, but they
but
won't
they
think
did
that
not.
much.
Yes,
They won't think as creative
deeply.
as man. Yes, good. Yes, man is better than anything. Man is means human. Human. You can keep human being. Human being means male and woman. Okay, right. Go ahead.
God wanted to take care of all other things in the world. God made to, care, to take care of all other things in world. God
Yes,
see all other things in the world. Protect also. God see and protect.
yes. God will see everything, and God is wanted to. God is telling that God wanted man. He is wanted means his want is he is asking. He's
And
created man in such a way that he
and
can care. He can take care of all the other things in the
take
world.
care of all other things in the world. Yes.
Yes, yes. Next.
Yeah,
Okay.
man is also able to take care of himself. God
Yes.
wanted man to travel on the path of right. God
Right.
wanted man go on right.
So
That
what
man
is
should
asking?
follow
Is
the
God
path.
is wanted. God, these all God wants. Wants means you
That
need,
is
you want.
correct. That is
Yes.
correct.
Yes, in
That is
correct path,
correct
in correct
way.
path, in right way. You have to think positively. You have to go in right way. You should not go in wrong way. If you go in wrong way, you will fall into pit or you will fall in somewhere. Okay, you should not fall anywhere. You should. If you go in right path, you will get good things. You will you will reach to your destination. Yeah, good. We have to go in right path. Yes, we won't feel any hurdles
That
or we'll be
man should,
happy. Yeah, yeah, right. Go ahead.
yes, that man should follow the path shown by God and take good care of everything. Man should follow in the correct way shown by God and take care of everything.
Hmm. Okay, we'll discuss. We'll have some one small round in this. First of all, God made us for every creature in this world. Everything in this world is made by God. Yes, yes or no? Yes. So we
Yes,
have to be. If we are getting water, means God given us water. Everything is given by the God. How we are getting water? They are getting from the oceans, or we are getting from the rivers. How these rivers created? God created. Okay. Someone feel that God giving water means they don't know how God will give water. Okay. Like that only. Again, if God is giving food means they don't understand that food is prepared by agriculture, that farmers now. But it's
farmers.
wrong thing. They will sow the seeds, but the seeds will become into plants, or those seeds will become into trees by the God's blessings, by the grace of God. Okay, these all things happen due to God only. You
By
will also
the
able to
rain.
know. Yeah, grace of the God. So God is very great. We must be thankful for God for everything. For our parents, these all things are created by God only. You are came into this world by the grace of God. Yes, your parents have blessed you. Have your parents have it at that time. Your parents have been, yes, prayed for God to gift a wonderful child. Yes, parents might have been gifted a prayed for the God to give a wonderful child like you, like everyone, like wonderful children like you, beautiful children, your intelligent children. He prayed for your parents prayed for God to give a wonderful and beautiful children for us. So that's why then God seen your prayers and He blessed us by the grace of God. We are here with the wonderful eyes, hands. Do you know the people? So many people are not getting food also. So that's why what you have to do, you have to study well, and what you
We
have to do, you
study
have to create some jobs. You have
to
to be the
help
leaders of the company. Yes, you have to help. Now everyone is discussing about
help.
Sonu Sood. Yes or no? You know Sonu
Yes,
Sood?
sir.
No, I think everyone will know Sonu Sood because he is
Yes,
helping the
sir.
poor. Yeah, that's so. We must be thankful for God, everything, for food, for water, everything we are getting because of God only. We should not hate God. We should pray for God. He will give everything for you if you pray for God daily. Okay, right. Next, this. So we know God made the
Sir,
beautiful
shall
world.
I unmute?
Yes, you may mute. Yes, good.
Sir, shall I?
Yes, right. Okay, good, right. Okay, so I will have a brief small round. We know God created. So we know God made this world. Yes or no? God made this world. Then he made the best things of the world. Best things means all best. So this water is best bottle. It's good. It's no cracks. So you have to drink water also every day. How many liters of water you are drinking? Your children, you have to drink 3 liters of water. Means 3 bottles you have to drink throughout the day. Okay, whole day you have to drink total 3 bottles. I will drink 4 to 5 bottles every day because I am 21 years now. Yes, right. So we must pray for God for giving us water. There are so many people are struggling for water also. We have to serve them after creating or after getting money for us. Okay, and God made us. Yes, God made us. He made men and women. He made boys and girls. He made everyone. So God is that much great. And like plants and animals, people also live and grow. You also live and you grow. I think you have remembered when you are 2 years old, you are small kids. Okay, when you are 2 years, you are little kids for your parents. I think you remember once. You may see your photos. You are little children at that time. You can see your photos. I think your photos also there at one year birthday or 21 days. For those, all your birthdays photos are in there. You can see them. So you grown up this much nicely, wonderfully, beautifully. You grown up. Okay, you are good. And like that. Next, so man is better than anything else. Man means human beings, boy or girl or everyone also comes under near to man. He told, they are telling man, but women or girls, boys, everyone will come. Okay, human being. Okay, so we will discuss in this chapter only. Man is better than anything else. So you and me are every our, so we are better than anything else of this world, on this world. Why? Because we are we are pouring water to the plants. Today, Maitreyi, are you join the class? Where is Maitreyi joined class or not? She helped her mother for the plantation of trees. Okay, are you helping your parents? If yes, you show your thumb. They planted plants today. She whole day from morning to afternoon she planted plants in surrounding her house. So if you plant means you are, that's why you are great. You are planting the plants, you are getting oxygen, you are pouring some water to the plants. So those all are good habits. Okay, so we must be happy because we are very talented and very intelligent boys and girls. Okay, so this might, someone is showing their plants and all are okay. Good. Okay, right. Okay, good. So they will give oxygen. Why you are better? This man is better than everything in this world because you are planting the trees. Small plants will become trees when you will pour water every day. Understood? So these many trees you see, you are around you, so many trees will appear around you. How they have prepared? These all prepared by man. Okay, God blessed them to grow higher, but those are planted by man or woman or human being. Okay, that's why God is, this lesson is telling that man is better than anything on this earth. He is the best creation of the God. So the best creation of the God, who is that? Man. Okay, so you are the best creatures of the God. So that's why you must be thankful for God. Right. Next, what's the paragraph? I will ask some questions. You get ready, children. You must be cautious. And man is better than God made us very wise. Very wise means wise, very honest. You must be honest. He gave man a brain to think. Brain means you are speaking, you are solving mathematics problems means you have brain. That's why you are able to solve the mathematics problems. Okay. God wanted man to take care of all the other things in the world. Yes, he wanted. So you have to take care of all other things, animals, dogs, cats. So okay, you should not harm any creature, plants, Okay, you must be take care of in everything in this world. Things also, man is also able to take care of himself. You must take care of yourself. You must be careful anytime. Okay, you must be careful for yourself, because how this COVID is getting now. This COVID is getting, you have to take care of yourself. God wanted man to travel on the path of right. You must go right path. Thus, man should follow the path shown by the God and take good care of everything. So you must follow the path of God. Then only, if you want to follow the path of God, how you will be able to follow? You must be go in the right path. Then you are going in the direction of God, and then you can take good care of everything. If you take good care of everything only, you will be you will be followed in the God's path. Okay, right. Now I will ask. Voice stuck. Is my voice is stucking? Yes. Yes means you tell why. Else you, is my voice is stucking? If yes, tell why or chart N. Okay. Good, good. Yes, yes, for Mahita Reddy. Okay, right. Okay, I'll see my internet connection. Okay, so we'll attempt this. I will unmute everyone. Okay, you have to answer, children. Now I am unmuting everyone. You get ready to answer. Yes.
Plants can walk but cannot can grow but cannot
Plants can grow but cannot walk. Animals can walk but cannot think.
First one option C.
Okay, man can grow. Rivers and seas cannot walk but flow. You must be flow. Okay. Okay, make a list of any three ways in which we can protect the plants and animals around us. Okay, any three ways? You tell me any three ways. Any three ways? Any three ways in which we can protect the plants and animals? How to protect the plants around us? By pouring water every day and by
The screen is not looking.
Okay, yeah, you have to wait for 20 seconds. It will load.
By pouring water every day.
Yes, by pouring water every day. And what you have to do?
By pouring water every day.
And tell me more.
By pouring water
I
every
told
day.
already. You don't tell me what I have told you. Tell me your own way. Show me creative.
The voice is
Can we
stuck.
do pesticide?
What something you're telling? Hamsini, I am unable to listen your voice. Hamsini. Pranat Kumar, tell me. What are the ways to protect the animals and plants? Animals also, tell me fast. How to protect the animals and plants and animals. Animals we can protect them by keeping away from the other animals, other dangerous animals, wild animals. If a lion will come, okay, something you are telling. Tell me.
Keeping away to the
Plants keep that.
Okay. What? Tell me. I am listening to you. You tell me fast.